How to log in Capital One online banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your Capital One online banking account. For that, open up any web browser and search for Capital One. Then tap on this website capitalone.com. Once you're here and you want to log into your Capital One online banking account, simply tap on the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. That is going to bring you to another page. On this page, you will have to enter some of your credentials. Go ahead and enter your username. Then enter your password. If you want these credentials to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. However, uncheck this box if you are using a public computer or device. In case you have forgotten your password or username, tap on this link that says Forgot Username or Password. If you are new to this and you have not set up your online access, tap on the Set Up Online Access option. Now, you will have to enter your last name, social security number or ITIN, then date of birth and tap on the Get Started option. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to create your online access. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.